know, I think a better record against House of Folk, you know, than any of the promoters
for him. And so 2 changes for Inter-Allies, going with a 4-1-4-1 formation.
Yeah, the middle is packed there with
Gokila Hoto will be the man to watch for Inter-Allies as they try to find support down the left-hand side, and Kennedy appears just to foul this man there.
You know, a bit of a quality move there. You can see he was caught late. Appear with a tackle, trying to stop Frederick Boateng. And I love the role now, how he's been assigned. Got the opener here. That was a sweet move there from Prince Bafo to Evans Mensah, and this was where he came. And poor marking there from the far side.
Well, when the ball was drifted to the far end, you obviously were looking at Owusu Bempah, who just stood akimbo. He didn't really see the run of Frederick. Samuel Bois, so it's coming on to play for Hearts of Focus. Actually,
no, he scored 2 so far in the opening 1-0 win over ADBRC. Was there, and there's Frederick Boateng with Owusu Bempah. A bit of
Boateng again.
It doesn't look like it's going to come from any source, but let's see. Inter-Allies.
More Marche here. Lovely ball. Frederick Boateng in there with a header. And struggling, but oftentimes when they have the opportunity, they also show what they can actually do. And Frederick Boateng got how Akwe has to get it out. Oh, lovely pass here. And Inter-Allies can actually get the first goal here. What a chance they have! And probably the first time, and oh, lovely play there for Boateng. Looking for Evans Mensah, Prince Bafo counts. Boateng being urged forward. Trying to look for space, Boateng. Still not getting anybody, but he'll go down for a free kick, and that's what.
Kick for his side. He delayed. I thought he should have laid a pass, you know, when he advertised, you know, but then he was too strong for his man and has won a free kick. You know, good.